Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So it is Transfer Tuesday week and we are filling up our snowflake box. So if you're new here, be sure to subscribe down below and let me know if you are doing any of the challenge, whether it be the 52-week challenge, the dollar challenge, $5 challenge, penny, dimes, quarter challenge, anything, you let me know. And if you are uploading it to your YouTube channel, let me know also, because I will be glad to go and check y'all out and support y'all in any way and encourage y'all to continue to do any kind of challenge, even with the circumstances right now that is going on in our world. But anyway, so we're on week 14, and for the past few weeks, we actually been knocking out some of the bigger bills, but we are going to shift back into the left side column again. So this week, we are going to be doing $20 in the 52-week challenge. And as always, we do color in. So I'm going to go and find $20 and we're just going to color while I talk to you guys. So as always, while I'm coloring, I ask how you are doing. It's been fine over here, and I'm just, encouraging everybody to continue to do what you do. Also, stay home if you can, but if not, like me, I'm in the healthcare field. I cannot stay home. So, but you know what? I wouldn't have it any other way. I absolutely love what I would do. So if I could help, I will. But anyway, so how are y'all doing on the 52-week challenge? I am up to $224. That is not including the $20 that we're about to put in right now. And let me know what y'all are going to be doing with the 52-week challenge after y'all are finished. Because, we're not going to be finished until the end of December. So mine is either going to go towards emergency fund if I have not filled that up yet, which I'm hoping I will, or debt, or, saving for a house, or saving for the wedding next year. So there's a lot of stuff that I want to do. But there you go. So we finished coloring it in. We're going to take our snowflake and we're going to get all the money out. Now I have bigger bills in here only because that's a lot of cash to be carrying. So I try to downsize as much as I can if I can. All right. So let's count. 1, 2, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 2, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44. So I have $244. So we're just going to add that right here, $244. And then we put $20 in here. So I don't have to count this money because I could just added the $224 plus the $20 will equals to $224. But you guys, what's the fun in that, right? I love counting money. I should have been a banker. I always tell myself a banker or an accountant, something like that, because I love numbers and just, just counting in and all that stuff. So it's always fun, you guys. But anyway, so that is pretty much it. This is a short, sweet, and to the point challenge. And if you have any questions, let me know down below, and I will be happy to answer them if you have anything, the 52-week challenge questions, if you have questions about my channel, what I upload, what I don't upload, when I upload, I am more than willing to go and answer y'all's question. And be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification so every time that I post a video like these or any of my other budgeting or grocery haul videos, then you will be notified. And with that being said, I will see you guys later. Have a great week. Bye.